next one, clone of AMOUAGE interlude, killer oud. Same packaging. I do have AMOUAGE on Cubana, I think I do have that one. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is another blue fragrance, I believe. Wow. Okay. Smell test. They all have this Paris corner thing on top of them. I think I got three fragrances from Paris corner, because 3 of them have Paris corner on top of them. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I fucks with this heavy. I fucked heavy with this. And this, I was trying to recall if I've seen this or smelled this before. My dad has a fragrance like this, or rather had a fragrance like this. I was trying to, because like I remember this cap and this tussle, but I wasn't sure the name. Yeah. Wow. Oh my days. This thing is beastly. Sheesh. Fresh but sharp, and it's very projecting. This is, I think this is one of the sharpest. This is the sharpest. This one seems like a beast mode, just off the bat. Wow. Yeah, get this. All right.